Everyone, today we are upgrading our front door security system with a new one. This is Ring battery doorbell second generation. We've been using an older model, so I'm super excited to change for the new one. It has 4K video clarity, radar powered 3D motion detection, and enhanced low light sight. It has a gorgeous two-tone finish that looks incredibly modern. Let's unbox it and see how it performs. Inside the kit, you can find everything you need. The design of this Ring doorbell camera feels premium and sleek. It has also installation guide, mounting plates, hardware, and the classic orange USB charging cable. The next step we will be drilling and mounting the new backplate. We just pre-drilled our holes. Installation is very easy. Secure and mounting bracket to the wall. Slide the battery inside of the device, and we are ready to lock it in. The device powers right up, indicating by the spinning blue light. Then we need to scan QR code. Use Ring app. Now is the fun part where we'll start to set up doorbell with our phone application. Follow the quick step-by-step instruction to link it to your Wi-Fi. It takes just a moment to synchronize. It doesn't take too much time. You can name your device and configure your personalized security preferences.
Now installing an update. This may take several minutes.
The app will quickly install all necessary firmware updates. Usually it takes pretty fast time. You can get also notifications once it will be set up, and it will be displayed on your screen on your phone. You can set motion frequency, motion zone, depends what you prefer. Once we finished all the installation, you can see that we can see ourselves on the screen. The camera shows really good quality. It's 4K. You can even see that you can zoom and see how perfectly it displays even faces of the people. This Ring doorbell quality much better than I had the previous one, so we're really satisfied with this one. One important thing that you need to buy subscription in order to see the history of saved videos motion that was performed.